Oh, bloody jävlar. Excellent.
What the hell's going on?
Oh.
Tell me everything.
Alright. In 1947, a chimney sweep and a waitress who had been happily married for 6 years gave birth. Unbesaged to them was that their natural birth was unequivocally and biologically engineered at the nuclear level to form a super baby. But the experimentation went wrong. Instead of creating one mega fetus, they produced Siamese twins with one giant super brain, which they shared. Upon splitting the two, they grew mad and plotted to use their now two still very intelligible but slightly less developed brains, not for good, but to avenge their coveted lives as one superhuman being. An experiment on everyone and anyone they so desire. Parents loved them very much and named them Stein and Frank.
What does that have to do with me?
Don't forget it, son. You need to destroy the Green Diamond. Otherwise it will mean the end of the world.
What, really? The end of the world?
It would just be really bad.